Okay, so in this particular episode of the CapCut tutorial, you are welcome once again. And on this episode, we are going to be looking at the interface of the CapCut. Now, a lot of the times, it's going to be more ideal for desktop users. So if you have it on your laptop or your iMac, it's going to be very ideal for you. Of course, it's the same knowledge and tutorial on the phone or tablet. But like I'm saying, this one, the desktop gives us a larger surface area to work with and a lot of features to that I personally love. And so basically, you definitely need to download the CapCut app. You can get it on Play Store, App Store. You can get it on the Apple Store or Microsoft Store. Wherever it is, it's literally technically the same thing. Or you can just use your browser, search for CapCut download for PC or for Mac. There are options there for you as well. So quickly, let's jump into it. Yes, so once you load it up, you're going to see an interface like this. Now at the top left corner, you're going to see your username. This is changeable. You can actually change it depending on the one that you used to register. Okay, but by default they will give you a username. You can see it over there. Now if you have a free plan, it's also going to show there free. If you have a pro plan, you're going to see it pro, like I have over here. Okay, so you can see the details. If you want to view the details, you can see till when, and then manage your subscription in that regard. Also at the first tab is home. So home, on home you can see the first one, create a project. So this enables you to create a new project. You can also see AI video maker, which you use prompts and then the AI tool creates the videos for you. You can also use the record screen option, whereby it captures your screen video, and then you can use it for whatever, like tutorials like this. Okay, on the right side banner there are some ads over there. More tools, so you can use long videos to shorts. Okay, so if you have a long video, you can upload it in a few minutes. It's going to break it down into shorts for you. Then also there's the AI video creator, so you can use that one. AI image, if you want to create images using AI on CapCut, you can do it. You can do it right within the app. Then there's also video translator. So if you have a video which is in maybe English, you've recorded a video in English, it is fine, it looks good and everything, but you want to reach another audience, so maybe a French audience, and so you want to translate it. You can also select it and then it translates it for you. Okay, I've tried it out. I think I did a video handy. Okay, then AI fashion model, where you can use clothes. You can get an AI model and then use clothes to, you know. Now after all these tools, there is the projects area. So over here you're going to see all your projects, so different projects that you've worked on. If you haven't started anything, then it's going to be blank. Don't worry about that, it's going to be blank for the beginning. But over here I can see all the videos that I've worked on. Personally, I like to clear some of the cache because this machine doesn't have a lot of space, but if you have a lot of it, you can have it there. And I also recommend leaving it, because sometimes you may have to come back and then edit it for different purposes. Okay, so that is it under projects. Now for every project, once you right click, there's an option to upload, rename, duplicate or delete, which I think are self-explanatory. Also near each project, you can see the size of the project currently, and then the duration of the project, and then the last time that it was edited. So for mine, the first one is 16 megabytes approximately. The duration is 1 minute 30 seconds, and it was last edited December 30th, which is today. Okay, so that is it with all the different details. Now at the top, label 2, there are a number of features on there which I think are also very ideal. So the first one is the search. So once you click on it, you can search for maybe Oraimo, and then it gives you the keywords. It gives you the hits based on the keywords that you searched. Okay, so that is it. Also ascending or descending order, so you can change it to grid view or a list view. So this is how the grid view looks like, and then if you want to switch it up, this is how the list view looks like. Okay, that is all up to you. You can also go to the trash area. So if you have deleted or recently deleted any of your files, it's going to appear here. Okay, all right. Then there's also the project synchronize. So if you turn this on, like I mentioned earlier in the previous video, there are spaces where you can create for maybe your workers at home or at work or with your channel, whichever it is. Once you turn it on, every project that you start working on automatically is uploaded into the cloud. Okay, that is it. And I think you shouldn't turn this on yet, but once you create a space, then you enable the videos individually. For example, if you have two teams, like I explained earlier, I have my own YouTube channel team, and then I have the team at the office. So imagine I synchronize for all of these people. That means my personal staff are going to be visible to them, and vice versa, which isn't ideal in a lot of cases. Okay, so that is it. I think I like the grid mode. You can leave it there. Okay, so back to the left menu area. The next one is templates. So yes, on phone, CapCut has a lot of templates that you can use. If you don't want to use, I mean, yeah, you can use that one. It's doable. It works that way. Also, now the new update on CapCut desktop, it has templates. So if you're not sure of how to go about your design, you can actually look through some of these ones, and trust me, they are very amazing. Once you hover around it, you hear the sound, you get to see how it looks. If it's okay with you, you select it and then you edit with it. I'm sure when we get to the practical sessions, maybe we'll start some of these ones. Okay, then still under templates, you can search for a template. So if you've seen a template on mobile, you want to search it on desktop, the search box is there for you. They've also categorized it into orientations, clips, and then durations. So with the orientation, you can get landscape or portrait. So with the clips, okay, if you want maybe just one clip or 1 to 2 clips or 5 to 10 clips, that option is there. You can also use a custom area to set it up for yourself. Now with the duration too, you can choose maybe between 0 and then 15 seconds, between 30 and 60 seconds, or greater than 3 minutes. It's all there for you. Also, you can favorite some of them, and then they are going to be left under your favorites tab. There are some that are also for sale, so if you buy them, they appear at the purchased area for you. There are pro options, there are the daily lives. They've categorized it into different forms of video templates. That is all up to you. So take your time, go through it. Once you like it, it is up to you. All right, moving on, let's look at the spaces area, which I explained earlier, that the spaces, it just helps you to synchronize it and organize for a particular team. Okay, so like I explained earlier, if I have my YouTube channel editors, I can create a space with them, and then I have tech scavengers, I can create a space with them, and then I have Limehouse team, I can create a space with them. So what that means is just anybody using that account can use that space to synchronize the project, so that we don't necessarily have to be in the same room at the same time to be able to have access to files, especially when you're in teams that you need to collaborate, you need to communicate, you need to review, etc. It comes in very handy. Okay, so that is it with the spaces area. Now with the spaces, at the top left, you see the username for the space. If you want to upgrade, you can get more storage space. You can upload new media, you can create folders, you can change the ascending or descending order, you can trash items. The possibilities are endless. Then at the top right corner, you can also see all the people on board, the people in that space. And if you want to share a link to somebody else, you just click on the add new, and then you add the person. Okay, so yes, that is it. Okay, so there's also a space settings, so you can change the username. So let me quickly change this one to maybe Very Tintin YouTube team. So the nickname is going to be the cooks, because we cook. And then you can give it a theme color. So let's add purple. Let's give it purple. And then currently they have given us 1 terabyte. Okay, we've used just 33 gigs, and then it renews. So if you want more space, you can use that for yourself. And also the option for the auto upload, like I mentioned earlier, you don't need to enable that, but if you want that, you can manage that for yourself. Then currently we have just 2 members. We can upgrade the members, and you can see what each person has access to. Okay, and I'm the owner, so I'm the main collaborator. I can add admin, and then I save it. If you want to delete the space, you simply use that same option and then delete it. So yes, basically this is the CapCut interface upon download, and it gets the job done. I've explained in detail everything that it does. The good thing is it uploads to the cloud, and so at any point in time you can either stop it, pause it, edit it, manage it, and then synchronize it across all your platforms. This is very, very ideal. So yes, now we know what the interface looks like. We know what we can do on the interface, the AI image generation, AI video generation, the subtitles, the long videos to shorts. We have the record screen, everything in there, the dialogue, then the AI fashion model. Okay, and then we've also learned how to edit or change your files at the homepage. So now we're about to start some critical editing work, and so I'll see you in the next video.